Hi, my name is Jason with FoxFury Lighting. Today we're going to take a brief look at the indicator lights on our Nomad series. On this Nomad now, it's located on the left-hand side towards the top of the unit. On our primes and 360s, it's located around the base of the unit. And on our transformer, it's located around the base of the battery pack. When the light is turned on, our indicator light will show a color. Green means there's a full to 60% battery remaining. Orange means that there's 60% to 25% remaining, and a red flash means that there's less than 25% battery remaining and you should charge as soon as possible. Each one of our Nomad units can be direct driven while it's plugged in. When it's plugged in and the light is turned on, you should see a solid green indicator light. When the unit is charging and it's not turned on, you will see a green flashing light indicating that the unit is charging correctly. A red solid means that there's a problem and you should contact us as soon as possible and we'll be happy to help. Really hope this video helped you out. If you have any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email.